day here. I'm just by the side of a river in the Vale of Clwyd, where I live. And just a quick little tip for the day. If you're using ND filters for long exposures, really handy little thing to get. You'll see a lot of people just laying a cloth or a glove over the viewfinder, and I'll show you why in a second. I found this little viewfinder cap on either eBay or Amazon, I can't remember which. It cost me about £2, and it's a lot better than a glove. For example, if I'm in portrait mode, as I am right now, a glove might not quite cover it properly, or if it's windy, then your cloth or glove might start flapping and keep letting light in. So the reason why I have that on is, especially with long exposures, on say a 13-second exposure, as I'm doing here, I'm trying to just smooth out the water underneath this tree. If you have nothing covering the viewfinder, some light will still get into the camera body through the viewfinder, and you'll get it'll cast light onto the sensor from the source other than your lens. So I'll show you two photos from this composition right now. First off, without the cover on the viewfinder, and you'll see this red cast running down the middle where light has hit the sensor that's come through the viewfinder. And now second photo with a cover over the viewfinder, you see that I've eliminated that light source and there's no external light hitting the sensor, so it's not affecting your images at all. Okay, that's my handy hint for the day, and I'll see you soon. Ta-ra.